Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So the current market price is 1.1026. This is the current market price of Euro USD. If you have watched my previous videos on Euro USD, then you can see that the overall setup of Euro USD has not changed at all. It means that the previous levels are still very much intact. What is the trend here? The overall trend of Euro USD is still very much towards the downside, and the present trend of Euro USD is what? It's sideways. Yes, the present trend of Euro USD is sideways. Sideways trend means buyers and the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. So in a sideways market, you get trading opportunities both the side. It is in case of an uptrend market, the best trading opportunities are always available at the support, and in case of a downtrend market, the best trading opportunities, the safest trading opportunities are always available at the resistance. But in case of sideways market like this, trading opportunities are available at both support and resistance because of almost equal number of buyers and sellers. So the most important resistance, as I have already discussed many times, is 1.1125, this resistance level at the top, and then we have 1.1200, the red line. The red line is the 200 period moving average, and along with the 200 period moving average, this is also the Fibonacci retracement level. So if we combine these two factors, then 1.1200 is the very strong resistance. Then we have 1.1125. But for Friday, today's trading session, okay, this level may be important because in case market goes up, then we can expect selling pressure around this level. If you see market facing selling pressure, or if you see market facing price rejection from above, it will give you the confirmation that sellers are still present at the resistance, and you can take a sell position here around 1.1125, 1.1130. Okay, and right now you can see that market is approaching the minor resistance here, 1.1045 to 1.1050. This is a minor resistance, not a very strong resistance, but a minor resistance. So there is also a possibility that market will be facing some kind of selling pressure here. So after some time, watch the market, observe the market. If you see the market is struggling around here, okay, if you see price being rejected from above like this, that is the confirmation that yes, things are difficult for Euro USD, and you can also take a sell position here. Okay, if market reverses from the resistance zone, and in case market goes down, then tomorrow's support is still very much valid, 1.0960. This support is still very much valid, but keep in mind market has already tested this level 3 times. Okay, so as we all know that if market tests a level too many times, the level loses its strength, but टूटने की संभावना ज़्यादा होती है. So it's better to wait and watch. If market comes down to the support level, observe the market again. If you see market bouncing from the support, if you see a hammer kind of a pattern, or if you see price rejection from below, then only take a buy position at the support. Just the opposite, if you see price rejection from above at the resistance, then only take a sell position. And the next strong support for Euro USD is this 1.0900. This level is also very important for the market. In case this level fails to provide support to the market, then we can hope that 1.0900 will act as the next strong support for the market, and we can take a buy position. So these two are the resistances here as of now, and these are the support. But keep in mind, this is a strong support. This support is losing its strength right now. Similarly, this is a strong resistance. This is a weak resistance for the market. Okay, so these are the levels, and if you look at the chart of DXY once, you can see that DXY right now, okay, DXY is also very much sideways. Overall trend is very much towards the upside. So DXY is also approaching see, just look at the relation here. Just look at the correlation here. DXY overall trend is very much towards the upside, and right now sideways market. And you can see that DXY is approaching the support zone here, minor support zone here, just the opposite of Euro USD. It is approaching the minor resistance zone. So when DXY will reverse from the support zone, Euro USD will reverse from the resistance zone. Okay, let's wait and watch what happens in the market. Okay, be careful. Please use proper stop loss and risk management, because market is crazy for the last 2-3 days. So be careful. Okay, any good trade setup may fail. So you should not be trading as a gambler. Be a trader, not a gambler. Keep in mind. And as I always say, respect your hard-earned money, protect your hard-earned money. Bye bye. Take care.